Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Today we will be delving into the groundbreaking speed of light experiment conducted by the legendary scientist Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei, often referred to as the father of modern physics, was a brilliant Italian astronomer, physicist and mathematician. In the early 17th century, he conducted a series of experiments involving light and its speed, which laid the foundation for our understanding of the nature of light. Galileo's speed of light experiment involved two individuals standing a great distance apart with lanterns. One person would uncover their lantern and the other person would signal when they saw the light. By measuring the time it took for the signal to be received, Galileo was able to calculate an approximate speed of light. Galileo's experiment was revolutionary because it was one of the first attempts to measure the speed of light, which was previously thought to be instantaneous. This discovery paved the way for future scientists to further investigate the properties of light and eventually led to the development of modern theories of light and optics. The significance of Galileo's speed of light experiment cannot be overstated. It only challenged existing belief about the nature of light but also opened up new possibilities for the study of the physical world. In conclusion, Galileo Galilei's speed of light experiment was a groundbreaking moment in the history of science. By challenging conventional wisdom and pushing the boundaries of what was known at the time, Galileo sparked a revolution in our understanding of the natural world.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.